Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Creative Hands. Today's video is about watercolor papers. So today I will show you on which paper I have made these paintings, the brand which I used. Now let's see some watercolor papers for beginners who wants to start watercoloring. The first paper I have used is Mestria papers. These are 100% cotton paper. This one pack consists of 10 sheets. It is 9 by 12 inch and it can be used for watercolors, acrylic, color pencils. These papers are mixed media, but I have only used this for watercolor paintings. I also have its small size. It is 6 into 9 inch and this pack consists of 15 sheets. I have bought this both at 125 rupees each. So this paper are good for beginners. Before buying any paper, people always see their size, price and the water holding capacity, because for watercolor painting, the water holding capacity plays an important role. You can also find Mestria paper account on Instagram. Now let me show you some paintings which I have made on this Mestria papers. So here is a beautiful sunset. This paper will be a good choice for beginners. You can also see the small winter landscape which I have made on these Mestria papers, and I also have many more paintings like this on my Instagram profile. So this is about Mestria papers. I also have a watercolor book. It is from Little Birdie watercolor book. I have recently ordered it from itsybitsy.in. It is written that it is A5 200 GMS and it has 62 pages, but in real it only has 30 sheets on which we can paint. We can only paint on one side. It is 200 GSM, but its water holding capacity is very less compared to other papers of 200 GSM. It is written that it is ideal for watercolor paintings. You can use watercolor paints and watercolor pencils both on this paper. I have bought this watercolor book at 150 rupees. It consists of 30 sheets only, but written that it has 62 pages. This is a painting I made. This painting is a combination of watercolor plus acrylic. All the paintings which I have made and I am showing you all are made with Camlin Artist watercolor cakes. So this is all about Little Bird watercolor book. So the next paper I have used is Brustos papers for watercoloring. They have their own site, Creative Hands. You can also find their Instagram profile, Creative Hands Materials. And Brustos papers are available on Amazon too. I have ordered this paper A3 size 200 GMS from Amazon. It consists of 6 sheets. If you are thinking for a cheap rate, these Brustos papers are somewhat expensive compared to Chitrapat and Mestria. Let me show you some paintings painted on these papers. So this is a sunset painting. This waterscape painting I made on Brustos 200 GMS A3 size paper. For more better result, you can order 100% cotton paper and 300 GMS. This painting is also painted on same paper of A4 size, 25% cotton paper. You can visit my Instagram profile for more such landscape waterscape paintings made upon Brustos papers. Link is available in description box. This is another painting. This painting is painted with Camlin poster colors and acrylic colors. I have tried Brustos watercolor paper with acrylic colors too. You can see the results. So this was all about Brustos. They have many types of papers like acrylic, sketchings in many different sizes and many different GSMs. Now the last and my most favorite paper is Chitrapat. I have Chitrapat papers in 3 different sizes. I will show you all. This is 270 GSM paper. It consists of 25 sheets and it can be used for all purpose, but I have only used this for watercolor paintings. I have bought these papers from a local shop. These papers are very nice for watercolor paintings. I have this paper in 3 different sizes, 8 inch, 10 inch and I think the last one is 12 or 16 inch. So these are the paintings which I have made on Chitrapat papers. Maximum number of my paintings are made up on Chitrapat papers. You can see a beautiful peacock and a waterscape. This is the painting which I have painted on the smallest size of Chitrapat papers. You can see the effect of sun. The colors used are Camden Artist watercolor cakes. Do visit my Instagram profile for more such paintings. These papers will be a good choice for beginners and they are not so expensive. You can easily buy them and use them for practice. Now all the paintings are visible to you on all different sizes of papers. So I have shown you 3-4 papers, Brusto, Maestria, Chitrapat. All the papers have different qualities. All the papers have their own different advantages and disadvantages. Now it's upon you to try on them and see the results. If you have used any of this product and if you find any advantage or disadvantage, you can comment in the comment section so that other will also get some help. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. In the next video, I will show you about acrylic papers and what materials I used for acrylic paintings. So these are some brands of watercolor papers which I have used for watercolor paintings. There are many more brands and many more types of paper available in market. You can try any of which you like. For more ideas about canvas pad, canvas board and type of canvas to use for acrylic paintings, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I have also uploaded some of my acrylic paintings. You can also watch them. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.